Hello viewers, now let's see a home remedy for clearing out the pimples on your face. Now let's see a home remedy to clear out with the pimples on the face. Here we are using aloe vera gel and sandalwood powder and turmeric powder. These three ingredients will help you out in clearing out with the pimples, and that in that way, like turmeric will help you in clearing out the dust or bacteria that is on your skin, and which is a reason to make a pimples on the skin. So it clears out with the bacteria or the dust and dirt in the pores and clears the pimples. And this sandalwood powder will help you in clearing out with pimples by keeping it a cool and gives your skin brighter and healthier look. And aloe vera gel will help you in giving a smoother and rejuvenate, and also will help you in clearing out the pimple marks on the skin. Now take a bowl, add sandalwood powder to it for about 2 teaspoons and add turmeric for about half a teaspoon, and to this now add aloe vera gel for about 1 teaspoon. Now mix it well. Now to make a paste of it, you need to add some water and make a smooth pasty consistency. Make a pack like this. As we have added turmeric, so that is the main reason that we have been using it for to clear the pimples, and also will give you a brighter and younger looking skin, and also helps you in clearing out with the tan and also the marks and spots that you have on the skin. So mainly turmeric will clears out the bacteria and dust or the dirt that you have on the pores of the skin, and also burns the pimples and clears the pimples. So make a pack like this and apply it on your face and keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes on your face. Let it get dry properly. And if you are using it for a night time, then you can apply it for about a whole night. Keep applying it on the pimples where you have. Like if you are comfortable keeping it on overnight, then you can apply it on the pimples and keep it for about overnight, and you can wash it off on the morning. It is not possible for you, then you can apply it for about in a daytimes or any another possible times. You can apply the pack for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with the normal water. In this way you can and this way this pack will help you in clearing out with the pimples and keeps your skin healthy and glower and younger looking skin, and keeps it smoother and softer. This you can use it till the pimples are cleared. You can use it regularly on everyday basis, or you can also use it weekly, thrice or twice. So at least once in a week will help you in clearing out the pimples and keeps your skin healthier and brighter and free from the pimples.